Women are getting themselves pay pigs. What is a pay pig, you may ask? Is a man who is willing to pay these women for doing absolutely nothing. All they are doing is putting their cash up and their picture and their videos, and the men are sending them money to their cash app. Some are making up to thousands of dollars. Why am I talking about it? Because I've realized that many men are trying to call these women out, and the fact that they're relying on Paypigs to pay their bills and calling them broke. What's the issue with that? That's my question. I don't see the issue with that. And just like the Shannon Sharp thing before, I am tired, I don't know what was that, of men calling women out for simply accepting or simply doing what women do. If a man is going to give a woman money, a woman is going to take it, especially if that man is saying he doesn't want anything in return. If you want to call out someone, if you want to blame someone, blame the men. Let these men know how stupid they are to give their hard-earned money, or I guess it's not hard-earned, but to be giving their money to women for absolutely nothing. Or better yet, shut your mouth and leave people alone. People do what they want to do with their money. Simple. So those are my thoughts. What are yours?